Good morning, everyone. This is Jovan Smith of iBakeTezos, a delegation service for the Tezos blockchain, and I am also the Educational Outreach Director for the first OTC trade desk in the United States for buying and selling Tezos using USD and other cryptocurrencies, again in the United States. Today what we're going to be talking about is how to use the Tezbox wallet and the Galleon wallet by Cryptonomic to set a delegation and to send transactions from both. We're going to do it all in one video and we're going to go ahead and knock it out. Alright, so with no further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're actually going to do before we go to either Tezbox.com or the Galleon GitHub repos to get those wallets, we need to install Ledger Live in order to install the apps, the Tezos wallet app that is required to run on both those wallets. Okay, so for Mac OS, here's the download. For Windows, here's the download link, and here's the download link for Linux. I am on a Mac OS. So I'm going to choose this link. If you are on a Windows device, you would choose this link, vice versa for so on and so forth for Linux and anything else. Okay, so boom, just click on Mac OS here. Alright, and it's going to begin the download. Alright, I already have this downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it, and it's going to show up in my applications folder after I've successfully downloaded it. Okay, and here we are, right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and open Ledger Live. I'm going to minimize this. Ledger Live, boom. If you haven't configured your Ledger already, you need to do that. Okay, so I'm going to put my password in here. All right, boom, boom, boom. It's going to open my wallet. Okay, you're going to go to Settings. You're going to scroll down here to the bottom. If developer mode is off, which it probably will be if this is going to be your first time downloading Ledger Live, you're going to turn it on. You're going to navigate back here, go to Portfolio or Manager. It's going to ask you for your PIN code, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in now. Boom. It's going to ask me for a check mark. Boom. All right. Cool. And so now what we can do is we can simply at the search bar here type in Tezos, install. It's really that simple. So the idea is that Ledger doesn't support Tezos, Tezos supports Ledger. Okay, this is why you have to run that developer mode. And we also use Ledger in the Tezos blockchain to validate blocks. Okay, so I think that's one of the first times that Ledger has been used in the propagation of blocks and validation of blocks in a blockchain outside of using it just to store crypto assets. So it not only can store your Tez, but it also can sign and validate blocks for you if you're a delegate or a baker on the Tezos blockchain. First mover advantage on that. Go Tezos! All right, so we're going to close this out. All right, we're done with Ledger now. Our Ledger Live. Boom, we can quit that. So now we're going to go back over here to our web browser, and we're going to navigate to Tezbox.com, okay? And you can do that simply by typing in Tezbox.com right here. Boom! All right, cool. So you have a few different options for the Tezbox. All right, you have a Windows link, you have a Mac OS link, and a few different, handy little links. This is a web wallet, so it opens a web version for you. This is a Chrome link. It's going to open something like this for you. All right, and those can be a little confusing, as you can see. Right, those can be extremely confusing. So I prefer to use either the Mac OS or actually a wallet that can mount to my actual hard drive. Okay, let me close this real quick. Excuse me, sorry about that. Because I want to show you how this all opens up. So since I'm on a Mac OS, I'm going to start this download. Okay. Boom. It's going to take me to the Tezbox GitHub repo, and I'm going to choose this first link. The Windows link is right below it, all right, but I want this first link because I'm on a Mac OS. Boom. So it's going to download here. Since I've already downloaded, I'm going to cancel it again, all right, and I'm going to find it in my applications folder, just like we found Ledger Live, all righty. So where's that bad boy at? And here it is. Okay, so let's open up the Tezbox wallet. All right, and now we can begin the process of linking our Tezbox. Okay, or linking our ledger with Tezbox, and this is very simple. So we've already installed the Tezos wallet app using Ledger Live. Okay, so now all we got to do, I'm going to unplug my ledger and plug it back up. Okay, link your Tezbox. All right, one. I'm putting in my PIN code, okay? Okay, cool. And you need to open up the Tezos wallet application that we installed using Ledger Live. So I'm going to open that now, okay? And now I'm going to click Link Tezbox. And it's asking me on my Ledger Nano device to link the Tezbox wallet. Okay, so I'm going to check yes. Okay, continue. So it generated this here address for me. All right, and I'm gonna create a password. Okay, now make sure when you create your password that you write this down on a piece of paper and you put and you label it Tezbox wallet for my Windows desktop or my Mac laptop, whatever the case may be. Okay, and don't lose it. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and create a password. Alrighty, I would recommend a very tough password. So it's encrypting the wallet. Okay, cool. So as you can see, I already had a kind of a wallet set up here. Alrighty, and we are ready to use Ledger, okay, to set a delegation and to send a transaction, okay? So how we do that is this. To send a transaction, well, actually, you know what? Let's set the delegation first, okay? So to set a delegation, this account must be funded first, okay? So you need to get some Tez in this first account before you can create the Kt1 account that you're going to use to delegate. So once you create your Tezbox wallet using the Ledger from another wallet or from a wallet that you already have, send that Tez to this address, okay? And then from there you can create the Kt1 account. All right. So I just opened up the Tezbox wallet for the first time with Ledger. Okay. It gives me a TZ1 address. All right. My son has 10 Tez. Have him send you the Tez. Okay, or wherever you're going to get your Tez from. If you buy from an exchange, wherever the case may be, you're going to copy this address and you're going to give that to the sender of the Tez or to your a wallet that you're using somewhere else. Okay. So we're going to hit plus here to add the Kt1 account. As you can see, it says creating a new account incurs a fee. All right, so this is a delegation operation on the blockchain. All right, yes to continue. All right, and all my ledger is asking me to confirm this. All righty, boom. So I'm going to confirm that. Hit continue. So this account has been added to the blockchain, but it needs to be propagated to the blockchain, okay? It needs to be added. It needs a confirmation or two. So in about, I think about a minute between oh, look at that. Boom, it's ready to go. Because the Tezos blockchain is the best blockchain. All right, cool. So now what we can do is we can fund this account and then set the delegation. So from this account, I'm going to send all the Tez that I want to stake first here. Actually, you can actually send it here, but you need to send Tez to this Kt1 account, okay? So it doesn't really matter where the Tez comes from, guys, all right? As long as it goes into this account, all right? So if you originated your wallet, or if you set this wallet up and it gave you this TZ1 account, and from another wallet you sent 200,000 Tez there, or $8 or 8 Tez and 81 micro Tez to it, you're going to send it from here to there now, okay? From your main account to your delegation account. So let's go ahead and do that. So from here, we need to get this. We need to copy this address. All right. Boom. Then we're going to go back to this address, our main address, okay? We're going to go to send. Boom. Copy and paste. All right. And we are going to send, I want to delegate all 8. Let's delegate 5, right? I want to delegate 5. All right. Cool. So let's send it to this address. That all looks good. Boom. On your ledger, it's going to ask you to sign this operation. So for sending transactions and for setting delegations, Ledger will run it off from every account that you see within this wallet. Boom. Okay, transaction has been sent. This may take a few minutes to be included on the blockchain. Okay, so that transaction was successful, and this account has lost Tez, and our delegation count has gained 5 Tez. All right, so now we can set our delegation. Okay, for the purposes of this, I'm going to show you how to set a delegation with iBakeTezos.com. So you can simply open up your web browser and navigate to iBakeTezos.com. All right, and when you first navigate there, let's do this. Boom. No, it didn't give me that time. Okay, cool. Oh, there it is. So you kind of get this like welcome message. Wow, thanks for checking us out. For a limited time, when you delegate to iBakeTezos, you'll save 50% off our normal 12% fee. That's right. You'll pay only 6% for a full 20 cycles. Fast payouts and all this other great stuff. So here's our delegation address. You want to copy this bad boy. All right, so I'm going to copy this TZ1, or starting with TZ1, ending in MIU capital Z. All right, so let's go over here to the Tezbox wallet. All right, and now we're going to go to this account, our Kt1 account, and let's do some options here. Let's go ahead and options. Let's call this iBakeTezos account, delegation account. All right, cool. It's only going to show like maybe the first iBakeTezos, but it'll be pretty obvious for you. Okay, so we'll update the title, and now it says kind of like iBakeTezos, so you clearly know that this is the account that you're going to delegate with. Alrighty, so after we've done that, we're going to choose the option here, delegate. Okay, this wallet says undelegated, so what we're going to do is we're going to choose custom because we are not listed here. All right, so we're going to choose custom, all right, and simply copy and paste in that TZ1 address, iBakeTezos baker address, okay, ending in MIU capital Z and starting in TZ1. Is that it? That looks correct to me, right? Back to our Tezbox. Alrighty, and we're gonna click on Update Delegate. Boom. All right, and it's going to ask us to confirm that delegation. Boom. On the ledger, okay? So then you're going to click Continue, and that is another operation on the blockchain, and so that will take a few minutes. Okay, so now what we can do is we can view this account on TZScan, which is the Tezos Block Explorer, or one of the Tezos Block Explorers. All right, so here's the Kt1 account that we created. This here, we funded it, all right, and it queried some Tez for us for setting our delegation, which is right here. So let's go to Delegations, and it shows that I am now delegated to iBakeTezos. Okay, pretty cool, huh? Boom, iBakeTezos. There we go, guys. And that's how you set a delegation using the Tezbox wallet. So let's send a transaction from that Kt1 account real quick, okay? So how do you send from a Kt1 account? Same way you send from a TZ1 account. They're spendable, all right? So what I'm going to do is, let's say, you know, here, let's go get an address, okay? Somebody's gonna get lucky and get 1 Tez today. All right, let's just pick some random address. Boom. All right, cool. So home. I am just gonna find me. Nah, that guy's already getting paid. All right, Let's do boom here. Maybe we got some okay, cool. All right, let's see. Oh, this one looks like it had a bunch of transactions in it, maybe. Okay, cool. So this dude is gonna get some Tez. All right, so you can send to Kt1 accounts or Tz1 accounts. So let's get this guy's account. I'm going to copy this. Make sure that it's copied. Boom. I don't even know who this guy is. Okay, cool. So, but he's a delegated with Tez Baker Payments 1. All right, so let's go back to our Tezbox wallet. I'm going to Command V. All right, and I'm going to send this guy his lucky day 1.5 Tez. Whoa! And to make sure that this goes through, I'm just going to do a medium boom. All right, because I don't want to sit around and wait. So let's send. On the ledger, it's going to ask you to confirm. Boom. All right, continue. And so now everything but 1.5 or everything but 1.5 of the Tez that is sitting in this Kt1 account, this delegation account, is still being delegated to iBakeTezos. All right, that's liquid proof of stake, if you will. Okay, your coins are liquid at any given time. So when you want to put your coins to work, you can, and when you want to sell them, you can. All right, there's no penalty. Actually, the bakers take on all the risk because they have to make sure that they have bond at any given snapshot for whatever the protocol sees that is delegated to them. And then right after the snapshot, you know, a delegator or something like that can just up and move 30,000 Tez out of the bond pool that we've already bonded up for. So, but you know, those are the risks you take in business, and we're fine with that. So I just kind of want to make sure that you guys see this. This transaction, and again, there's about 1 minute block intervals in Tezos, and we can actually view it happening on the blockchain or the block explorer itself. So as soon as this next block gets propagated, we can see our transaction go through. Looks like the volume's picking up there. Okay, cool. So that's actually 45 seconds old. And as you can see, we've lost our -3 or 1.5 Tez, and some lucky guy gained 1.5 Tez. All right, and that is how you both delegate and send transactions from all the accounts, including your Kt1 account, using the Tezbox wallet. All right. All right. Cool. So let's hook up Ledger with the Galleon wallet, do some transactions, and send some delegations, or set a delegation. Okay. So the same way that we got the Tezbox, we're going to go to. You would simply type in Galleon and then Tezos wallet here. Click on this, and it will take you to their GitHub repo. You're going to click on that link. You're going to scroll down. You'll find the different versions of it. I want Mac OS, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Mac OS. I'm going to stop this download as I did before because I already have it installed. Minimize this. Let's go to our Finder, open our applications. Where is Galleon? By Cryptonomic. Boom. Open the wallet. It's going to ask us to, let's see here, connect with Ledger. We're going to say yes. It's asking me to provide the public key. Okay. I'm going to hit the check mark there. All right. And as you can see, it created a key for me. And now we need to send Tez to that wallet. All right. So let's go over here. All righty. So I have, where's it at? Boom. So I got $6.99 here. All right. So we're going to go ahead and send all of this over to the Galleon wallet. We first need to go to our Galleon wallet, copy. You can click here simply by copying, or if you're paranoid, which I am. Do I get a right-hand click here? No. So they're pretty confident in this little feature. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and send Tez to our Galleon wallet so we can set it up to set a delegation. Alright, so send here. Okay, cool. So, boom, boom. Alright, let's go ahead and send a total of 6. Alright, let's make the fee medium. Boom. And so this wallet is not set with Ledger. This is not my original Tezbox wallet, okay? Boom. Okay, cool. So that should take a minute or so. Alright, now that our Galleon wallet has received the 6 Tez that we sent from our Tezbox wallet, right? And we've already set it up with Ledger, okay? So now we can add the delegate. So just like the Tezbox wallet, you click here, the plus button, add delegate. Or is it accounts? Okay, cool. Alright, delegate address, so we're going to go grab iBakeTezos. Here's the address, ending in MIUZ, starting in TZ1. Starting in with TZ1, ending in MIU, capital Z. We're going to copy that bad boy. Alright, go back to our Galleon wallet. Copy that bad boy in there. Alright. And I guess we can go ahead and send just like, you know, from here. So let's go ahead and send 5 along with the delegation. So it is going to query a fee from us for the transaction, for the delegation, and it's going to send a certain amount of Tez over to the delegation wallet, I believe. Delegate. So it's asking me on my Ledger to go ahead and send. So I'm going to hit the check mark. All right, successfully started address origination. All right, and so maybe we can. The manager address is the primary address of your account and can be used to send and receive Tez. Awesome. As soon as this kind of gets through and it gets propagated through the blockchain, we will give it hopefully a an option to label the wallet and look at some other stuff. All right, and so as you guys can see. We originated a delegation address. We funded it all pretty much with one operation. Reminds me of the command line. And it now has 5, and the manager address has 0.74 microtez. All right, and the delegation is successful. All right, let's view this on the blockchain and make sure that it's showing up as a successful delegation on TZScan. So let's simply go here to our delegate address. Can we label this bad boy? Okay, delegated to there it is. Boom. Here we go. And I guess you can change your delegate here. All right, change delegate, and you would find the delegate address that you want. If it's TZ Dutch, if it's Tezos Community, Crypto Delegate, Tezigator, what have you. Boom. There you go. Okay, and it's as simple as that. All right. Now let's send a transaction. All right. I'm going to go ahead and send all this back to my wallet that I have. All right. So. Boom, open this bad boy up. I'm just going to come here, I'm going to copy and paste this guy. Boom. Go down here to the Galleon. Alright, let's get this, let's do this first. Alright, send. Command V. Let's go ahead and try to do the max. Tell me $4.99. Send. Confirm the transaction on Ledger. Boom. So without your Ledger device, without this physical device here, you cannot send Tez. Even if somebody hacked in your computer and they got into this wallet somehow, brute force attack on your password or something like that, they still need this Ledger device to send the Tez out. So you are good to go. You're as safe as ever. All right. And so I want to make sure that this goes through so you guys can all see how this works and we can confirm all these good things. Okay, there we go. All right, so I think that wraps everything up. Just a quick overview. We used the Tezbox wallet and the Galleon wallet today in tandem or in connection with the Ledger hardware device to not only send and receive transactions using the Ledger device, but also to set our delegations using the Ledger device for both of those platforms, for both of those wallet platforms. Okay, so we use the Ledger to send and receive transactions, and also sign the operations that record delegations upon the blockchain. All right, to iBakeTezos.com. All right, so if you are looking for a delegate, please consider us. Just navigate here to iBakeTezos.com. Until the end, we have a 6% fee payout, all right, for the first 20 cycles after you start your delegation up until December 31st. And as of the 1st of January 2019, the fee is going to be set at 12%. All right. If you are looking to buy or sell Tez, you can visit iBakeTezos.com, our sister service. Alrighty. And you can, pretty much sell large amounts of Tez or buy large amounts of Tez and a few other different cryptocurrencies using USD and things like that, okay? So you can buy your Tez from us, and then you can maybe even get this option down here, our iBake Extreme option, which is 0% fee, right? It's for serious hodlers and serious returns. 5,000 XTZ minimum purchase required, per cycle payouts, 20 cycles for the first 20 cycles after you set your delegation before December 31st. If you buy Tez from iBakeTezos.com, and the purchase would be 5,000 minimum, you will receive or at least be eligible for 0% fee for the first 20 cycles after you set your delegation up until December 31st. So I hope that this video was informative. Again, Tezos enabled all of this. This is just great. The blockchain is maybe 7 months old, and we're already pulling off stuff that some projects just can't even think about doing. And these are just the facts, and I think it has a lot to do with the time that the core dev team took, and the care and the architecture and OCaml and just all of these very unique features that nobody else has in the game. So again, Jovan Smith here. I'm signing off, and happy baking, everyone.